Now see, that floor looks like it has stain on it, doesn't it? It looks cool. But that's just from taking that black mastic off. And I've got high-lows on there. Now, if your floor doesn't have any color on it, I would highly suggest putting some stain on there before you seal the floor and stuff. And what could I have done here? You know, I was going to get a Hudson sprayer because I didn't think the floors was going to come out as nice. And then I was going to spray a little bit of like a terracotta color stain over this floor because I didn't think there would be much orange in it at all. But it's picked up all kinds of orange. The terracotta would have looked almost the same as this. And had I have done that, I would have put masking tape down at the base all the way along there, and then I would have cut plastic and put it up the side of the walls. I would have taken these doors off, gone around the walls, gone around the room here all the way around with plastic about 18 inches up. Then I would get a Hudson sprayer and put the stain on with the Hudson sprayer, and then the sealer, I do the same thing. Well, see, now I don't have to put stain on here, so what could I do? Could I seal this with the Hudson sprayer? Yeah, I could, but then I'm going to have to put masking tape down, put the plastic up, and do all that and get it all done. Well, another way I could do it, and I think I'm going to do it this way, is I'm going to stain, or I'm going to seal this floor with the paintbrush. I'm going to cut in all the way around the edges with the paintbrush, and then I'm going to roll it on. And that's another way you can install sealer, and I think for the sake of argument, I'm going to do that. That way I don't have to buy any masking tape. I don't have to buy the plastic. I don't have to take the doors off. I don't have to mask off next to the bathroom, next to the kitchen over there by the front door, and all of the other stuff. Okay? So there's different options. Before you know, I had a game plan. It's funny. I had a game plan, and the whole game plan went to pot because this floor had carpet on it, and I was going to take the carpet pad off, and I was going to leave, and then there was tile, thin vinyl tiles underneath the floor, and I was going to leave those. Then I was going to float out this entire floor with some feather edge material, kind of making it look like brand new concrete, and then I was going to stain over that with the Hudson sprayer, and then seal over that with the Hudson sprayer. But once I got to here, there was a leak in here at the air conditioner inside this door here in the hallway, and the tiles were coming up, and then the tiles just kind of popped right up. If you haven't watched my videos on how to remove vinyl floor tiles, you need to look at that because these came up in a jiff. And then I was able to clean off all the mastic. Had I not done that, I wasn't quite sure if the feather edge material was going to work, because I would have had to put 2 coats on. I was concerned that maybe the edges where the tile lines were, maybe that would show later on. Maybe it wouldn't stain properly. Maybe the feather edge material would crack after you walk on it, because it's really not designed for a finished floor. It's designed for an underlayment so that you put floor tile down, so you put carpet down, glue down carpet, linoleum, whatever. And I was going to try that, but because everything came up, you know, my plans changed. I removed the tile, and then I scraped up all of the mastic, and I cleaned the mastic off, and this is what I've got left. I don't even have to use any stain, so I didn't have to purchase that. That stain can run you, oh, I don't know, $50 a gallon or more at your hardware store for stain, for concrete stain. I didn't have to do that. And I don't think I have to get plastic or masking tape, and I'm going to just put the sealer down with a little roller. I'm not sure if I'm going to use a mini roller, a 6-inch mini roller, with a 1/2-inch nap, or a longer roller, 9-inch flat roller, you know, 1/8 inch or 3/8 snap, something like that. And I can use a throwaway 3 or 4-inch throwaway paintbrush and work it right out of a paint tray. You know, for really cheap and not expensive at all. Anyone can do it, and you keep watching these videos. I'll show you how to seal this floor. I've got to let this floor dry now for the next day and a half or so. And this floor out here has been dry now for 4 or 5 days now, as well as that front room. I've got the light off, it's getting dark. And then I've got this closet to do too. We've cleaned this floor off here, and I'm going to seal that floor as well. So I still have a lot to do, but I want to show you that if an average Joe like me, if I can do it, of course you can too. Oh, I got that stuff all over my face too now. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.